Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can set up the volume monitor on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. To do so, first we need to go to the settings, then you need to scroll down to find digital well-being and parental controls. Press this option, then scroll down, and here you should find the volume monitor. In my case it says loud listening time because I have already set it up, but if you press this option over here where it will say volume monitor, then first you will see the welcome message. Over here at the bottom you will have the start button, so you want to press it, and after that you should see this page over here, this menu. And here you will see the loud listening time, so every time the device detects that you are listening to music very loudly, if you have set up the high volume, then it will be recorded over here. You can also switch from daily to weekly pattern over here, not pattern but the summary, and in the top right corner you can also click tap these three dots in order to use volume monitor, and you can enable and disable it over here. And you also have the option to enable and disable ear safety alerts. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.